Ella lives in a small house near the park. She likes quiet mornings. She often drinks tea and reads books. One morning she hears a sound outside. She opens the door and sees a big dog. The dog is standing near her gate. It has blue eyes and thick gray fur. Its ears are up. It looks cold and hungry. Ella does not have a dog, but she loves animals. She asks herself, "What can I do?" She walks slowly to the dog. The dog does not run away. It looks at her and wags its tail. Ella feels brave. She says hello. The dog barks one time, not loud, just soft. It sits down and looks at her. Ella goes inside and brings some food and water. She puts the bowls near the dog. The dog eats fast. It is very hungry. Ella watches the dog. She smiles. There is something special about this dog. After eating, the dog walks to Ella. It touches her hand with its nose. Ella laughs. The dog is not wild. It is friendly. She looks around. She asks, "Where is your owner?" But there is no one. She waits for 10 minutes. Still no one. She thinks this dog needs help. I might help him. Ella opens her gate. She says, "Come in." The dog walks inside. Ella feels happy. Inside the house, the dog looks around. It walks to the sofa and sits. Ella brings a towel. She cleans the dog. The dog sits still. It is calm. Ella touches its fur. It is soft but cold. She says, "I will help you." She brings a small blanket and puts it on the dog. Now Ella wants to give the dog a name. She thinks for a minute. The dog looks strong. It looks like it can run fast. She says, "I will call you Rocky." "Yes, Rocky." Rocky looks at her and wags his tail. He likes the name. Ella does not know much about Huskies, but she can see Rocky is not a normal dog. He is big, strong, and has a thick coat. He might be a Husky. She looks at her phone. She types, "What is a Husky?" She reads about it. Huskies are friendly. They like cold weather. They need walks. They love people. Ella says, "Yes, you are a Husky, Rocky." She feels a new feeling. She is not alone. Rocky is here. He might stay. Ella makes a bed for him near the sofa. She puts water and food near him. Rocky lies down and sleeps. He looks safe. Ella sits and watches him. She feels warm inside. She says this is the start of something new. Every morning Rocky wakes up early. He walks to Ella and licks her face. Ella opens her eyes and smiles. "Let's start the day," she says. Rocky wags his tail. Ella puts on her coat. She takes the leash. They walk to the park. At the park, Rocky runs and jumps. He loves to play. Ella throws a ball. Rocky runs fast and catches it. He brings it back. They do this many times. There are other dogs in the park. Rocky meets them. He sniffs and plays. Ella talks to other dog owners. She asks, "What do you feed your dog? Where do you buy dog food?" She learns many things. After the walk, they go home. Ella gives Rocky some water. He drinks a lot. Then she gives him food. Rocky eats and wags his tail again. He is happy. Ella sits on the sofa. Rocky sits near her. She reads a book. Rocky puts his head on her foot. He stays quiet. In the afternoon, Ella does housework. She cleans the floor. She washes clothes. Rocky follows her. He does not leave her side. He watches her move around the house. Sometimes he brings his toy and puts it near her. He wants to play. Ella throws the toy and says, "Go get it." Rocky runs and brings it back. In the evening, Ella cooks dinner. Rocky sits and waits. He does not beg, he just looks. After dinner, Ella brushes Rocky. She uses a soft brush. Rocky sits still. His fur is thick. Ella says, "You are a good dog." Rocky closes his eyes. He likes the soft brush. Before bed, Ella checks the door and windows. She turns off the lights. Rocky walks to her room. He lies near her bed. He looks at her. Ella says good night. Rocky closes his eyes. Ella feels safe. Rocky is more than a pet. He is a friend. He helps Ella every day. He gives her love, fun, and a reason to smile. Ella feels better since Rocky came into her life. She goes outside more. She walks every day. Walking helps her body and her mind. She does not feel tired like before. Her legs feel strong. Her heart feels happy. Rocky gives her a reason to move. Ella also smiles more. She plays with Rocky. They run, jump, and have fun. Laughter fills the house. Before Rocky, the house was very quiet. Now there is sound, there is joy. Rocky barks, plays with toys, and makes funny faces. Ella laughs and feels young again. There are also new friends. When Ella takes Rocky to the park, she meets people. Some have dogs, some just walk. She says hello. She asks questions. Where do you buy dog food? What games do your dogs like? People answer. They smile. They talk. Ella does not feel shy. She feels part of a group. At home, Ella learns new things. She learns how to brush Rocky. She learns what food he likes. She learns when he wants to play. She learns how to teach him. Rocky learns fast. He can sit. He can stay. He can shake hands. Ella teaches him with kind words and small snacks. One day, a loud noise came from the street. Rocky barked loud. He ran to the door. Ella looked outside. A car made the sound. But Ella felt safe. Rocky was there. He did not run. He did not hide. He watched and waited. Ella said, "Good boy." Rocky wagged his tail. When Ella feels sad, Rocky knows. He walks to her. He puts his head on her lap. He stays close. He does not speak, but his heart speaks. Ella feels love. She feels better. Ella says, "Rocky, you are not just a pet. You are my friend. You help me grow. You help me smile. You help me learn." Having a husky is hard work, but it is also a big gift. It takes time, it takes love, but it gives back joy, safety, and many good days. Ella is thankful every day. Rocky is not just a dog. He is family.